This is the Belle Boutique, and so this is a Belle doll, and this is the Rapunzel doll. And how you make the castle, you put these yellow pieces to here, and you attach these purple doors. Now I'm gonna make the dress. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff up here, so you're just gonna have to rip it out. There. So there's a dark pink, there is a very light yellow, there is a purple, and there is a lighter pink. First, I'm going to use an extruder. So you kind of spin it to put it on, and then try to make it tight so it fits and it doesn't slip off.